So we agree on the final diagnosis?
Yep.
Okay, and that was the last one.
Perfect.
It was a good day, wasn't it?
It was a good day. Yeah, we actually got lots of biopsies today, which was nice.
And tell me, what do you think of the day?
So I thought we had a really good structure to the day. I really appreciated that. It was nice to know when I was coming back and what kind of the expectations were. So that was good. I think these cases helped me identify some of the learning points that I have for myself, and I think that there'll be some good stuff to take away from today, definitely.
That's good. And this morning you said you wanted to work on core needle biopsies.
Yeah.
How did it go on that particular aspect?
Yeah. Core needle biopsies, I think, are a lot more challenging than resections. So I really feel like there are some places that I can improve, but I am pretty confident in my morphological assessment. And I think that I'm starting to build pretty good differential diagnoses, and then moving towards the sort of management plan from there. I'm starting to build a lot more confidence.
But what were your pearls? Because I agree, you're doing a very good approach to these biopsies. You know the pathological features that you need to look for, but there are some learning points from today. What do you think?
So one of the big ones, and I've kind of been referencing this as we've gone along, I think for me, understanding the pathology in the context of the clinical and radiologic history or the context, and doing that correlation is a piece that I have to work on.
Okay, that's good. We could talk about that case of the primary versus metastatic and that discussion that we had.
Yeah.
So what do you think as a next step for you to improve on that?
So again, sort of highlighting and understanding the different features and what they mean for the diagnosis or the likelihood of it being primary versus metastatic in the context of radiology. I feel that I don't have a very strong understanding of that foundation.
And what could you do to improve that?
So I don't know if there's maybe some literature that would be helpful for that.
That's very good. Actually, I agree with your assessment. I like the way you approach your cases. Your microscopic descriptions are great. And you know your immunohistochemistry, what to order, how to work these cases up. For next step, why don't I send you a review paper, a recent review paper on that topic about characteristics of nodules, lung nodules, and distinguishing primary and metastatic, and then we can talk about it later today.
Yeah, that would be really helpful because I don't know the radiology literature that well, so I think having something really targeted would help me a lot.
That's great.
Yeah, I'd appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you. It was great.